There's a few different kinds of scrubbies, and this kind here, they seem to deteriorate kind of fast, but they do work. Then we have this, which is where you put soap up in here, and then you'll scrub like that, and it soapifies your dish. And then with these onion bags and sweet potato bags, if you roll these up into like a scrubby, there's like a coarseness to them. And then these are a little bit softer. So we'll show you how to make one of those. Now you want to empty out all of the contents of the bag and cut off like the metal pieces. And essentially we're going to be making a tube now. And there's another metal clip up here. Just like that. Now we have a tube. If there's package labels here, instead of trying to break them apart and take this off, it's a lot easier just to take scissors and go through and cut them off. You want to take the bags, now put them over your arm, and then take the other bag and put this bag over your arm as well. Now with both bags over your arm, you can start rolling it up. Just like that. Now what you can do is go in a figure 8, just like that. Gonna tuck that in there and make it into a scrubby. There we go. Here, these work great on cast iron pans, so let's try it. So, rub it down. And whenever you're washing cast iron pans, cast iron is a really porous metal, so you don't want to use soap while you're washing it, or else it'll seep into the cast iron, and then you'll taste it whenever you're cooking it. Top split there. Here you have now a great scrubby that didn't really cost you anything except the price of the bag. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.